All right, so let's pick this last video back up with number 15. I knew something was off on this one at the end. I just couldn't figure out what I'd done wrong. So there is an issue with my factoring. This one does have one solution in the end. It's right here. When I went to factor this, I got my signs wrong. So this should be a double set of parentheses, x and x, here and here. It was 1 and 36, but the 36 was negative and the 1 was positive. So on the outsides, I get a negative 36. The inside, I get a positive 1, which would give me the negative 35 in the middle. And so the results here, negative 1 would make that 0. Positive 36 would make that 0. Negative 1 is not an actual solution because when you plug negative 1, both here and here, you get negative results. You can't have that, but you can plug in 36 in both places and get a positive. You can put 36 here and it's positive. You can do 36 minus 35 here. It's a positive 1. So x equals to 36 is the solution here on this one. So all the ones on the test and the study guide, you should be able to get a solution for. Same thing applies to number 16. Here I've got 6 plus log base 8 of x plus 3 equals to 33. I want to solve this for x. So I'll start with your typical algebraic problem. I'll take away 6 on both sides. So I get 9 log base 8 of x plus 3 is equal to 27. I can divide both sides by 9. So now it's log base 8 of x plus 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3, which is nice. And now I can use that log loop around. So it's 8 to the third power equals to x plus 3. So now I've got to calculate that 8 to the third power. Be careful here. It's not 24, but it's 8 times 8, which is 64, times a third 8. That's going to give you 512. So 512 equals to x plus 3. I can take away 3 on both sides. And so I'm going to get x is equal to 509. And that's going to give me a positive solution within log. I could put 509 plus 3. It gives me 512, not a negative. So that is within the domain. It's okay. And there is number 17 here. You can ignore this question. This is not on the test. This is something we had to cut for time due to Hurricane Michael. So just those 16 questions are the ones to study for your test. So if you have any questions, as always, please email me. And if you can do the problems on the study guide, you should be able to do very well with the problems on the test. Thanks.